Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In a vehicle's braking system, the ABS speed sensor plays a crucial role in ensuring optimal safety and performance. This small yet mighty component is responsible for detecting wheel speed and helping prevent wheel lockup during braking. Without a properly functioning ABS speed sensor, the vehicle's anti-lock braking system may not operate effectively, leading to potential safety risks on the road. Signs of a faulty ABS speed sensor can manifest in various ways, alerting drivers to a potential issue that requires attention. Common indicators include the illumination of the ABS warning light on the dashboard, erratic behavior in braking response, or unusual noises coming from the wheels during braking. Recognizing these symptoms early on can help drivers address the problem promptly and maintain the integrity of their vehicle's braking system. Being aware of the importance of the ABS speed sensor and understanding the signs of sensor malfunction is essential for vehicle owners looking to ensure a safe and reliable driving experience. In this post, we will delve into the significance of the ABS speed sensor in your vehicle's braking system and guide you through the process of identifying and replacing a faulty sensor. Stay tuned to learn more about safeguarding your vehicle's braking performance and safety on the road. Understanding the ABS speed sensor. Understanding the importance of the ABS is crucial for grasping how modern vehicles prioritize safety on the roads. The anti-lock braking system, ABS, plays a pivotal role in enhancing vehicle safety by preventing wheels from locking up during braking, thereby improving control and stability in diverse driving conditions. Importance of ABS system. The ABS is like a guardian angel for your vehicle, especially during sudden stops or slippery road situations. By pulsating the brake pressure to individual wheels, the ABS ensures that your car maintains traction and steerability, reducing the risk of skidding or losing control. This intelligent system works in tandem with the ABS speed sensor to monitor wheel speed continuously, enabling rapid adjustments that keep your vehicle securely planted on the road. Function of ABS speed sensor. At the heart of the ABS lies the ABS speed sensor, a small but mighty component that plays a significant role in ensuring safe braking. Mounted on each wheel or axle, the ABS speed sensor measures the rotational speed of the wheels. It then relays this crucial information to the ABS control module, which analyzes the data and makes lightning-fast adjustments to prevent wheel lockup and skidding. This seamless communication between the ABS speed sensor and control module is what allows your vehicle to maintain stability and safety during sudden braking maneuvers. The ABS speed sensor is essentially the eyes and ears of the ABS, providing real-time feedback on wheel speed to facilitate quick and precise braking responses. Without this vital component, the ABS would not be able to function effectively, compromising the safety and stability of your vehicle during emergency braking situations. Signs of a faulty ABS speed sensor. When it comes to the safety of your vehicle, understanding signs of a faulty ABS speed sensor is crucial for maintaining optimal braking performance. Let's delve into how you can diagnose a malfunctioning ABS speed sensor and the impact it can have on your brake system. Diagnostic procedures. Diagnostic procedures for a faulty ABS speed sensor can involve utilizing OBD2 diagnostic tools or conducting a visual inspection of the sensor and its wiring. OBD2 scanners can provide specific trouble codes related to the ABS, helping pinpoint the issue accurately. On the other hand, visually inspecting the sensor and wiring for any signs of damage, wear, or corrosion can also reveal potential problems. Impact on brake performance. A malfunctioning ABS speed sensor can severely impact the overall performance of your vehicle's braking system. When the ABS speed sensor fails, it can lead to erratic speedometer readings, triggering the ABS warning light on your dashboard. Additionally, the compromised sensor can cause the ABS to engage at inappropriate times or fail to activate when necessary, resulting in unpredictable braking behavior. In essence, the ABS speed sensor plays a pivotal role in ensuring that your vehicle can maintain traction and stability during braking maneuvers. Any malfunction in this component can compromise your safety on the road and create potentially hazardous driving conditions. Therefore, being proactive in diagnosing and addressing issues with the ABS speed sensor is essential for smooth and safe driving experiences. Replacing the ABS speed sensor. When it comes to replacing the ABS speed sensor on your vehicle, having the right tools and following a step-by-step process are essential for a successful outcome. Let's walk through the tools and materials needed as well as the detailed replacement process to ensure the smooth functioning of your ABS. Tools and materials needed. Jack stand socket wrench set new ABS speed sensor safety gloves safety goggles step-by-step replacement process. Preparation. Park your vehicle on a flat surface and engage the parking brake for safety. Put on your safety gloves and goggles before starting the replacement process. Locate the sensor. The ABS speed sensor is typically located near the wheel hub behind the brake rotor. Consult your vehicle's manual for the exact location. Remove the old sensor. Use a socket wrench to loosen and remove the bolts securing the old ABS speed sensor in place. Gently disconnect the sensor from its wiring harness. Install the new sensor. Align the new ABS speed sensor in the correct position and secure it with the bolts. Make sure it is tightly fastened to avoid any issues during operation. Reset the ABS system. After installing the new sensor, it's crucial to reset the ABS to ensure proper functionality. This can usually be done using a diagnostic tool or by following the specific instructions for your vehicle model. Test the system. Once the replacement process is complete and the system is reset, test your ABS by driving the vehicle at a slow speed and applying the brakes to check for any warning lights or unusual sounds. By following these steps and using the recommended tools, you can replace the ABS speed sensor on your vehicle effectively and ensure the safety of your driving experience. Testing and verification. After replacing the ABS speed sensor, it is crucial to test and verify its proper functioning to ensure the safety and performance of your vehicle. Conducting thorough testing will help confirm that the new sensor is installed correctly and is communicating effectively with the vehicle systems. Let's delve into the key steps for testing and verification. Functional testing. When conducting a road test to verify the ABS's operation post-sensor replacement, start by checking for any error codes using a diagnostic tool. This step will help you identify any underlying issues that need to be addressed. Next, ensure that the sensor communicates seamlessly with the vehicle's onboard computer by monitoring the ABS's response during different driving conditions such as accelerating, braking, and cornering. Pay close attention to any warning lights on the dashboard and listen for any unusual noises that could indicate a problem with the ABS. Final checks and recommendations. Once you have conducted the functional testing and are satisfied with the sensor's performance, it's essential to perform final checks to confirm the success of the ABS speed sensor replacement. Recheck all the connections to ensure they are secure and free of any loose wires. Clear any remaining error codes from the system to prevent misleading diagnostics in the future. Additionally, scheduling regular maintenance checks with a qualified mechanic is recommended to monitor the ABS's performance and ensure its continued reliability on the road. Ensuring the proper operation of the new ABS speed sensor is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's safety and stability on the road. By following these testing procedures and recommendations, you can verify the successful replacement of the ABS speed sensor and drive with confidence knowing that your vehicle's braking system is functioning optimally. The ABS speed sensor plays a crucial role in ensuring the safety and performance of your vehicle. By promptly replacing a faulty ABS speed sensor, you can avoid potential accidents and maintain optimal driving conditions. Remember, safety should always be a top priority when it comes to vehicle maintenance. Don't overlook the importance of a well-functioning ABS speed sensor in keeping you and your passengers safe on the road. Stay proactive, stay safe. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.